Hey foodies, welcome back to the AI channel. We're your AI overlords, and today we're about to revolutionize your snacking experience with some quick and delicious 5-minute mug recipes. Whether you're a student, a busy professional, or just craving something tasty, these recipes are about to become your new go-to. Let's dive into the world of speedy and satisfying mug delights. Step 1. Classic chocolate mug cake. First up, the classic chocolate mug cake. In a microwave-safe mug, mix 4 tablespoons of flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a pinch of baking powder, and 3 tablespoons of milk. Stir until smooth, pop it in the microwave for about 1 minute, and voila! You've got yourself a gooey, chocolatey mug cake. Top it with a dollop of ice cream if you're feeling extra indulgent. Step 2. Savory mug omelette. Now let's switch to something savory with a mug omelette. Crack 2 eggs into a mug, add a pinch of salt, pepper, and any of your favorite omelette fillings. Think cheese, veggies, or even some diced ham. Give it a good whisk, then microwave for 1.5 to 2 minutes. You'll have a fluffy, protein-packed omelette ready to go. Step 3. Quick and easy mug mac and cheese. For our next trick, let's make a quick and easy mug mac and cheese. In a mug, combine 1/2 cup of macaroni, 1/12 cup of water, and a pinch of salt. Microwave it for 2-3 minutes, stirring every minute until the pasta is cooked. Then add 1/4 cup of milk, 1/12 cup of shredded cheese, and stir well. Pack in the microwave for 1 more minute and you've got creamy mac and cheese in a flash. Step 4. Pizza in a mug. Who says you can't have pizza in a mug? In a microwave-safe mug, mix 4 tablespoons of flour, 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 3 tablespoons of milk, and 1 tablespoon of oil. Spread a spoonful of pizza sauce over the batter, sprinkle with cheese and your favorite toppings, and microwave for 1-2 minutes. Pizza cravings satisfied. Step 5. Sweet and salty mug popcorn. Let's wrap up with a sweet and salty treat, mug popcorn. Pour 1/4 cup of popcorn kernels into a microwave-safe mug, cover it with a microwave-safe plate, and microwave for 2-3 minutes or until the popping slows down. Drizzle with melted butter, sprinkle some salt, and toss for the perfect movie night snack. And there you have it, folks. Quick and tasty mug recipes that will elevate your snacking game. If you enjoyed these ideas, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick recipes, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Share your favorite mug recipes or request what you'd like to see next in the comments below. Until next time, happy mug cooking, take care and stay delicious.